Alright, I'm going to go over how to use the DL24P capacity tester. First step, I made a mistake. This over here is not where your power in goes. It is the one back here, the power in. It took me about 15 minutes to figure that out. I have the temperature sensor brought over here, connected to the cardboard next to my battery that I'll be testing. And then I've got it wired up with 12 gauge wire from the load side, which are these two outside ports are the loads. Sorry, that's a weird camera angle. These outside ones are where the load comes from, and then these two inside ones are where the voltage is read. So I've used 14 gauge wire and ran it up to the terminals, and it's rated for 60, 80 watts, whatever, but it looks like it's actually limited to 10 amps. So at 3 volts, you can't actually pull 180 whatever watts it's rated for. So to get everything set up, hold the start button. It's going to come up with the menu. You can select between English and Chinese. Press the setup button to select, or to move up and down, and then the start to select. So start to clear. And you can go set up. You can zero out your voltage here, which is what I did to start with. You can change all your settings down there. Hold start again to exit. And you'll see everything's zeroed out with the capacity. Should be off. Up here is the setting for amperage. So when you press setup, it'll let you select your digits. So I'm going to turn it up to 10. 10 amps seems to be the maximum. If you go over that, it just doesn't let you do it. So you're good to go there, and then press start. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. So hold setup. And you can do constant current, constant voltage there. Press setup again. You can do time discharge, and here you can select your cutoff voltage. So you go up, down there. I leave mine at 2.6. That way I don't over drain anything if there's any miscalibration errors. So then once that stops flashing, you're good to press start, and you'll start testing at 10 amps.